We are here today at our Skymark office in Mississauga. It is our inaugural event where we're trying to really put together something special founded around esports and gaming.
Gaming is such a neat aspect of the events industry right now. During the pandemic, the gaming industry went through a digital virtual space, just like most of our clients did in the corporate space. And live events and bringing people together is so important. It's what we do, it's our core business. So bringing the live events experience that we have at Encore to the gaming industry is huge.
Gaming 10 years ago versus gaming now, you used to have live events that would only happen once a year, might sell out a stadium and people would come and watch it, very, very niche, but now you have several stadiums that are running daily, weekly, monthly, that are also being streamed, that are fully set in a hybrid situation. Simply put, we know how to make great events, and people are looking for someone to help make their dream happen.
We had some really cool competition up there with people going head-to-head in Super Smash Bros. We had Encore staff also going up and trying to go head-to-head, but the best part of it was just everybody feeling comfortable enough to go up and try their hand at just playing a game in a space that was actually unfamiliar. I just love the business of fun. Gaming is the business of fun, and if you're not having fun, you're not doing it right.
A big piece of the puzzle is that there's a lot of young entrepreneurs looking to build out tournaments and gaming, right? And building this new kind of idea of a business community. And so we're really positioned to help. You know, we are in a large percentage of the Canadian venues, hotels, conference centers, and so we see tournament organizers coming in, and we want to be aware of what their needs are, what their pain points are, and how we can help from our experience in the corporate world and bring that towards the production side in the gaming space.
I want people, when they think about Encore and Encore's events, that they think about possibilities, and that possibilities are limitless. We are a creative team. We are a really dedicated team who really want to make something new every time. And we want to make something in the gaming space that is memorable, that is community driven, and that is something that people will remember when they go home.